Your hotel room feels secure, but that locked door is often just an illusion. Hidden vulnerabilities can turn your stay into a nightmare. Think bypassed locks and digital scams. Today, I'm exposing the hotel security risks no one talks about. We'll reveal how to spot these flaws, and more importantly, how to fix them with simple, practical hacks. No paranoia, just preparation. Most solutions are quick, cheap, and use items you already have. By the end, you'll know how to turn any hotel room into a fortress. Let's start with the most overlooked weak spot, your hotel room door. The peephole. It's that little lens on your hotel room door, meant to offer a glimpse of who's on the other side. It's supposed to protect you, giving you a sense of security and control over who you let into your personal space. But how secure is it really? The truth is, with a cheap reverse viewer readily available online, anyone can see inside your room. These devices cleverly exploit the optics of the peephole, turning it into a one-way mirror in reverse. It's a simple tool, but it poses a significant threat to your privacy and security. Thieves use these reverse viewers to check if you're alone, if you're vulnerable. They might be looking for a quick score, or planning something more elaborate. The peephole, meant to be your shield, becomes a window of opportunity for them. Or they might spot valuables, a laptop, jewelry, cash, anything that catches their eye and makes your room a tempting target. Remember, a hotel room, while temporary, is still your personal space, and you have a right to feel safe and secure within it. The fix? It's surprisingly simple. Cover the peephole as soon as you arrive. Don't wait, don't hesitate. Make it the first thing you do after dropping your bags. This small act can deter potential intruders and give you peace of mind. Use a sticky note, something you likely have in your travel kit or can easily find in the hotel room. A bandage, perhaps from your first aid kit, works just as well. Or a piece of duct tape, anything to block the view. The key is to create a physical barrier that prevents anyone from peering into your room without your knowledge. If your room has a built-in cover, a small sliding piece of metal, use it. It's there for a reason. If not, improvise. Get creative with what you have available. My go-to wrap duct tape around an old deodorant stick for easy access. This makes it compact, easy to pack, and readily available whenever you need it. It's a simple travel hack that can make a big difference. When someone with a reverse viewer finds your peephole covered, they'll likely move on to an easier target. They're looking for the path of least resistance, and a covered peephole signals that you're aware and taking precautions. This tiny step makes a huge difference in deterring potential intruders and protecting your privacy. It's a small investment of time and effort that yields significant returns in terms of security and peace of mind. Security is about layers. It's not just about one single measure, but a combination of precautions that work together to create a safer environment. Start by blocking the obvious entry points, like the peephole. Then consider other vulnerabilities, such as windows and connecting doors. Every barrier you add makes you less appealing to intruders. They're looking for easy targets, and the more obstacles you put in their way, the more likely they are to move on to someone else. Peephole covered? Good. You've taken the first step in securing your hotel room and protecting your privacy. Now, let's talk about a scam that comes right to your door, disguised as pizza. It's a tactic used by thieves to gain access to your room, and it's important to be aware of the signs. You're tired, hungry, maybe a little disoriented from travel. The last thing you want to do is venture out into the unknown in search of sustenance. You just want to relax, unwind, and order something in. The allure of convenience is strong, especially when you're in an unfamiliar place. And then, as if by magic, a pizza flyer appears under your door. It's like a beacon of hope, promising cheesy goodness and instant gratification. The aroma practically wafts through the paper, teasing your taste buds. Tempting, right? The flyer boasts mouth-watering images of pepperoni, mushrooms, and melted mozzarella. It's a siren song to your weary soul, promising a quick and easy solution to your hunger pangs. But hold on a second. Before you reach for the phone, consider this. It could be a scam. That enticing flyer might be a cleverly disguised trap. Fake flyers are often left by scammers, lurking in the shadows, preying on unsuspecting travelers just like you. They're banking on your fatigue and hunger to cloud your judgment. These scammers aren't interested in delivering a delicious pizza. They want your credit card info, not your pizza order. They're after your hard-earned money, and they'll use any means necessary to get it. You call the number on the flyer, lured in by the promise of a quick meal. You give your details, trusting that you're dealing with a legitimate business. And then you wait and wait and wait some more for food that never comes. The minutes tick by, your stomach rumbles, and your anticipation turns to frustration. All the while, your card is being drained, one unauthorized transaction at a time. The scammers are racking up charges, leaving you with a financial headache on top of your hunger. These scams are surprisingly low-tech, relying on simple flyers and a convincing phone manner. But they're highly effective, especially against vulnerable targets. They're preying on tired travelers, people who are already stressed and just want an easy meal. It's a cruel tactic, but it works far too often. So what's the solution? How can you avoid falling victim to this phantom pizza plot? The first and most important rule: never, ever order from flyers slipped under your door. Treat them like the suspicious offers they are, and toss them straight into the trash. Instead, use trusted apps like Uber Eats or DoorDash. These platforms have built-in security measures and verified restaurants, offering a much safer way to order food, or, if you prefer, research real restaurants online. Look for establishments with a legitimate online presence, including a website and verifiable contact information. Always verify phone numbers and read reviews before ordering. A few minutes of research can save you a lot of trouble and protect your financial information. Take 2 minutes to double-check the restaurant's details, read a few reviews, and ensure that everything seems legitimate. It might seem like a small effort, but your bank account will thank you for it. A little vigilance can go a long way in preventing fraud. Hungry? Be smart. Don't let convenience cloud your judgment. Don't let the promise of a quick pizza cost you your identity. Protect yourself, your information, and your peace of mind. That chain lock on your hotel room door? It's a common sight, isn't it? You see it and you think, okay, I've got a little extra security here. But the truth is, it's mostly for show. It gives a false sense of security. A placebo effect for your peace of mind. In reality, it offers very little actual protection. Intruders, unfortunately, are well aware of its limitations. They can bypass it in seconds, often with something as simple as a rubber band. It's a shockingly easy exploit, or even just a piece of string. Yes, a simple piece of string can render that chain lock completely useless. It's a testament to how poorly designed these locks often are. The chain's design flaw is well known within security circles, and even easily searchable online. The mechanism is just inherently weak and vulnerable. And despite this well-documented weakness, it's still incredibly common in hotels around the world. It's a standard fixture, a default security measure that doesn't really secure. So don't rely on it. Your safety is worth more than a flimsy chain. It's time to consider alternative solutions. Instead, bring a portable door lock with you when you travel, something like an Add-A-Lock. These are specifically designed to provide a much higher level of security. These small but mighty devices brace the door from the inside, adding a significant layer of resistance against forced entry. They're easy to install and remove, making them perfect for travel, effectively blocking entry, even with a key card. This prevents anyone from simply swiping their way into your room, regardless of whether they have legitimate access or not. It's a simple, affordable upgrade to your travel security, and it's an investment in your personal safety and well-being. That ultimately gives you real peace of mind, allowing you to relax and sleep soundly, knowing you've taken extra precautions to secure your space. When you lock your hotel room door for the night, always double-check. Make absolutely sure that it's actually locked, and that the deadbolt is fully engaged. A quick tug on the handle can confirm this. And always throw a portable lock in your bag. It takes up minimal space and adds a world of security. It's truly the best security investment you can make for yourself as a traveler, ensuring a safer and more secure trip. Hotel security starts before you book. A cheap room in a bad neighborhood isn't a deal, it's a risk. Use Google Street View to check the area around your hotel. Look for clean, well-lit streets and active businesses, not boarded windows or empty lots. Read reviews for keywords like safety or break-in. Filter out hotels with repeated security complaints. 5 minutes of research can mean the difference between a relaxing stay and a stressful one. Choose a safe location first. It's your best defense. Your room's location inside the hotel matters. Ground floor rooms are easy targets for thieves. Avoid them. But super high floors can be dangerous in a fire, since rescue ladders only reach so far. The sweet spot? Rooms between the 3rd and 6th floors. You're out of reach for most break-ins, but still within fire rescue range. When checking in, request a room on these floors, away from elevators and ice machines. A room midway down the hallway is usually quieter and more secure. Small requests, big impact on your safety. The check-in desk is your first security checkpoint. If the clerk says your room number out loud, politely ask them to write it down instead. Always request 2 key cards, even if you're alone, to suggest you're not traveling solo. Never let your key card sleeve display your room number. If it does, discard it elsewhere. Stay alert as you head to your room. Notice if anyone's watching or following. Walk confidently and avoid distractions. Your goal: get to your room without broadcasting your details to the lobby. Scams start before you even arrive. Watch out for fake confirmation emails or texts. These look official and ask you to fix your payment or download an app. Never click links or download attachments from unexpected messages. If you get a suspicious email, call the hotel directly using the number from their real website. Confirm your reservation status with the front desk. One phone call can save you from a major headache. Always verify before you trust online and in person. Free hotel Wi-Fi is convenient, but it's a hacker's playground. Hackers set up fake networks, evil twins, to steal your data. Even real hotel Wi-Fi is often unencrypted, so anyone on the network can snoop. Disable auto-connect on your devices and always confirm the network name with the front desk. Use a VPN to encrypt your traffic and keep your data safe. For extra security, use your phone's hotspot or a portable Wi-Fi device. Treat all public Wi-Fi as hostile. Protect your digital life. Dual smart hotel rooms are convenient, but every device is a potential risk. Don't log into streaming accounts unless you remember to log out. Cover smart TV cameras with tape and unplug devices with microphones if you're concerned. Avoid using built-in USB charging ports. Use your own power adapter instead. A little low-tech caution goes a long way in a high-tech room. Your keycard isn't as secure as you think. Magnetic stripe cards can be cloned in seconds with cheap tools. Never leave your card unattended. Treat it like a credit card. Even if you're careful, hotel systems can be hacked to create master keys. That's why a portable door lock is essential. It's your personal override. Combine mindful habits with physical security for true peace of mind. That's it. 10 hotel security secrets to help you travel smarter and safer. It all comes down to awareness and simple habits. Take these tips, put them into action, and enjoy your trip with confidence. You've turned your hotel room into a personal fortress. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your own hotel security tips in the comments. Safe travels.